Extended service contracts are another one of those things that are often misunderstood. A lot of people think it's just an extension of the factory warranty. It's not. Your factory warranty covers your machine for a limited time and mileage. An extended service contract picks up after that factory coverage ends, and it helps protect you from the cost of major repairs. Modern machines are more complex than ever. They have an advanced electronic system, sensors, driveline components, and technology that didn't exist years ago. When something goes wrong, repairs can get expensive fast because these parts need to be replaced when they fail. In many cases, a single major repair can cost more than the entire extended service contract. That's why this really isn't about fixing every little thing, it's about protecting yourself from the big unexpected costs. An extended service contract helps make ownership more predictable. Instead of worrying about a large repair bill down the road, you're managing risk up front. Now, this isn't required, and it's not right for everyone. If you don't plan to keep the machine very long, it might not make sense for you. But if you plan to keep the machine and put real miles in the saddle or want peace of mind long term, it's definitely worth considering. If you have any questions about how coverage works or if an extended service contract makes sense for your situation, come talk to us.
Run.